My camera's all blurry. What's going on? There we go. We're focusing in. YouTube, what's up, guys? Tampa Boys Customs back. Guys, check out what we got. We got a Lifan motorcycle. It's a 200cc. You see it, guys. We just picked it up. We ain't even home yet. We out here at this, I don't know what this place is, a car wash. We got us some little motorcycle. Guys, check it out. See Jit over there, he's checking it out. We're gonna get her to the house and see if she'll run, you know. The motor is pretty clean on it. I mean, yeah, there's 2 keys. We'll probably take them out too.
I can't even get this key out.
No? Leave that one in there then. Guys, I want to show you this thing real quick, guys. Just picked it up. Should be sweet. Who knows what we're gonna do with this thing? You don't know. Alright, guys. We'll be back. I'm gonna pause this for now. Get the pretty side over here, you know. Oh, it said something about my mic. Oh, we're trying a new mic. Hopefully you guys can hear me. What's up, YouTube? We got us a mini street bike here.
Shut up.
You shut your mouth. And it runs, guys. We picked it up. It's been sitting for 4 or 5 years. Sorry about this camera shaking. I ain't good with this camera. It was sitting for a long time. We pulled the carburetor off, pulled the gas tank off. You see we got that Predator gas tank on there for right now, you know. The old, I don't know if you guys caught our live, but here's the old gas tank. And it was just disgusting. Oh yeah, wait, let's see. It was probably still laying out here. Let's go show all the crap to the people. I mean, this is by far the worst gas tank I've ever seen, guys. Look at this. Can you guys see this? This is ridiculous. This all came out of that gas tank. All of that, guys. I mean, here's my foot. You can get a little reference. Oh, it's a pile of crap. So yeah. So we haven't got it. We got it. It's almost good though. I mean, we're gonna treat it a couple more times. We're gonna slap it back on there.
Fucking Honda 125. Oh, it needs rings.
We're trying to buy bikes too. You know, we're always shopping for bikes, guys. You see all the bikes out here. But let's fire up this Lifan. Lifan. It's a Lifan, guys. She runs. I mean, neutral. We got a neutral indicator. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You can't beat that, guys. Anybody wants to buy this thing, it's going to be for sale very shortly. You see the miles? 6,600 miles on it. She's purring. I can't hold the phone. She's a ripper, guys. Running good. Well, I just want to show you guys this thing. Look, I got the other fairing off right now because we don't have a battery for it yet. This battery's way too big, so it won't fit in this little hole. So the other fairing is laying right over there somewhere. Oh man, I can't drill that way. Man, I keep messing up. Alright guys, I'm going to take a little short video, show you guys a little mini street bike thing, whatever it's called. I'm going to post a video where we picked it up with this, so hope you guys enjoy. Maybe I'll take it for a test ride for a video shortly. Alright guys, I'm out.